Hey you guys, what's up, what's poppin', what's good? Welcome back to another video. All the products that you see me use will be listed in the description box. Remember, even if I do not list them, these are products that you can find in Walmart or your local beauty supply store. I know the hair you cannot find in Walmart, but you can always find that type of stuff online or in a beauty supply store. In this video, you see my mom popping in and out of the video because she was helping me and tending to her own business too. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy. And do not, please do not forget, I'm getting tongue-tied, to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't mind, share. I had a hard time doing my hair, by the way. I started doing this the night before, but I was like, fuck it, because I just didn't have the energy because I got in late. So I decided to do it today. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Excuse if the video looks like a little jumpy. I actually filmed this video in time lapse, but I slowed it down on here, so that's why it's playing the way that it does. And that's totally fine with me. I hope it's fine with you guys, because I really want you guys to see what I'm doing, where the video is not too long, but I can still like fly through it and you guys understand what I'm doing. You see my mom popping in and out of the video because I got frustrated. You really can't see that, but like before I really got to that point, I did get frustrated, and I was just had my mom in there helping me part my hair in the back and stuff, because any other day them braids in the back of my head be looking jacked up, but nobody sees it. But today I just really wanted some effort into it, and I wanted everything to be neat, so she parted the back of my hair, and that is about it. Oh, and note, if you guys didn't catch on, we actually have the same crochets. Mine is 18 inch, hers is 14 inch. Originally she wanted the longer ones, but when I went in the hair stores, I never did look up, and all I saw was the 14 inch when I got her hair. But when I got mine, I seen an 18 inch. But me and my mom, we definitely rock the same colors. She's just now getting into getting her hair done, and usually I'm the one that does her hair, so we are twins at this point. So really quick, you guys, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But I did oil my scalp with the tea tree organics oil, the coconut Jamaican black castor oil, and then I just moisturized my hair with that. And that is about it. I'm gonna tie my hair up so the little flyaways can lay down, and I'll be back to install my crochet. Readjusted. I had some crochets up in the front, like on this one, that one, that one, that one, that they have them right here. Took those out. I'm moving to the middle part because I actually was missing some part and put too much hair in some other sides. But I am finished with this hair. I will leave a link in the description box to where you can find this hair. And I'm showing you the stop. But I can say the wavy hair that I did, the wavy twist, I like that hair better. I really do. Okay, so right here I had to slow it down in slow motion because you know your girl likes the 1B27. That is my color, and I am sticking to it. Yes, honey. Okay, we are coming to a wrap at the end of the video just about, but let me get into the newer iPhones. I am currently in possession of an iPhone 11 Pro with the 3 cameras on the back, 3 camera lenses on the back, the smaller one. The quality of my videos, of this video from past videos, the quality is good. I wouldn't trade anything for it in the world. I actually like the quality of my film and my pictures. They look a lot better. I can see a lot of improvement, you know, with the phone versus the iPhone 10. So, and enjoy. And I will put some gel down on the edges. I'm just not doing nothing tonight because I do not go to work until I do not go to work until tomorrow, so I'm not going to be doing nothing to like my little edges, stuff that are sticking out.